How to remove Gamma watermark. If you notice, when using the Gamma app for presentation, you can see the watermark of the Gamma. It can be removed when proceeding to the export, but it will take an upgrade to remove the Gamma watermark, and it will cost you some money. So here's the solution. Open the Canva app. If you don't have it yet, download it first, then create your account and select Presentation. After that, go to Files of Canva, the Upload Files, and choose the PPT that you downloaded from the Gamma app. On the side panels, go to Project and open the recent uploaded PPT. And then, go ahead and find the Gamma watermark on each slides, click on them and delete, until you are done with it. Now it's time to export. Click Share on the top right corner. Choose the Download button. Then, as for the file type, choose the PPTX. Then, click Download. After that, it's supposed to be removed the watermark from Gamma just by doing that simple steps. And that's all of it. I hope this been helpful to you somehow, and if yes, please like and subscribe. Also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it. Thank you.